exciting sounds from the Super Bowl weekend in San Francisco, so let's get to it.
Come give me a hug, give me a hug. You call me in the club, call me to the club. Yeah, I just have to come up hard. Let's go. You know how we do, baby. I never took a straight path nowhere. Life full of.
I'm so small and tiny, he's so big and tall. My little brother pussy like he's not the ball. Face freak, let me get a sneak peek. Back it up like beep beep. Do that thing go beep beep.
Yeah, happy birthday, bro. Guys, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yes, sir, my boy. How are you turning? 24. Okay, that's not a bad.
Show the cake.
Still young.
Let's take a picture of the cake.
Curtis Blades and I know.
Where'd I meet you?
That's it, I finished that. I'm a streamer, you feel me?
Love it, man. Good to see you.
Hell yeah, bro.
Everything good? You have a good year?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Magic. Absolute magic.
Hey, you guys still gonna make that time?
Alright, we're good. Our role today is just going to be updating the chat on who's signed it.
There you go.
Wait, what that mean? Oh, Lord Champion. Alright, bro, nice to meet you, bro.
Okay, so we are now 2 autographs. Nice to meet you.
Cardi B. Yeah.
Pleasure, man.
Hey, this my dog right here. You know what I'm saying? We're A-Town shit. No cap. Hey, who you got winning the Super Bowl?
I don't really want to say, but I'm gonna go fuck with the Patriots though. I ain't gonna cap
I'm fucking with the Patriots too. You know what I'm saying? That Cardi B a fit.
Yeah, you think you stop playing, man. Walking like the whole.
That's how it's supposed to be, though. Yeah. Pac broke my finger. I don't know if you remember that. This motherfucker did this shit to my finger. He did this.
In Cincinnati.
This is a true story.
I played a good game against your ass that game.
Hey, but I had a good game.
I had a good game.
I ended the game. I scored a game.
I
touchdown.
had a good
Yeah,
game.
he broke my finger.
It wasn't on my side. It wasn't on my side,
This is a
though.
true story.
It was
I
not
broke
on my
finger.
side.
Our trainer tried to take me out of the game. I said, fuck that. Cut that little shit off the glove, stick my shit in there, wrap this motherfucker up, I'm going back out there. In cut versus 2 men for the touchdown.
Yeah, bro. I couldn't
Rub
believe
your
it.
finger. Real talk, that's a
That was
true
on the
story.
other side, though.
It was on the other side.
I was
It
on
the
his
other side.
ass.
It
And
was
one
on the
thing
other
about
side.
me and him, we like this.
Yeah.
Like like I said earlier, I was with him before he got drafted.
That's a true
The
story.
only nigga I know, I was like, man, this nigga here is so unbelievable. I was like, man, this nigga here is so unbelievable athletic, though. Like, to be so big. Whole week, though, I was studying like a motherfucker. I'm like, well, he better take his ass to the other side, because you come over here. It was a long day, but we had a good time.
It was a good time. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. That's my brother, man. So look, on social, if y'all ever see us going back and forth, using
No,
foul
we ain't
language,
got to tell them that. Let them folks think what they want to think.
Hey, but you know, but that's
Man,
just
that
how
pay
we communicate.
bills.
Yeah,
That pay
that's how.
bills.
But that's how we communicate, though.
Come on, man.
It is how we
Come
communicate.
on. Twin. It's understood.
Don't have
Don't
to
need
be
to be
explained.
said.
That's a true story.
That's my.
That boy, that retarded, boy.
Got it.
Sing the hard ass.
For the jacket.
I give it to you.
Just give me the jacket.
You can have it. Sign it. Need both signatures on it. You can't fit this, bro. Damn, it's me, but you have. Let me make sure I ain't got nothing in it. Check the pocket. Smell me?
They just hold the time.
Yes, sir. Ain't nobody got these two right here. My boy, no cap. Atlanta's greatest. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
My kids know who you are too. Hey, but I want to ask you this: who you got for the Super Bowl? Patriots are getting 4.5 versus Seattle.
I got Patrick Mahomes. yo, look at me. Matter of fact, I got Shadow Sanders. Yes, sir. Fuck you, bro.
Talk to him, Desi.
It ain't the same though.
Talk to him.
He can say the same.
Ain't the
My heart
same.
just like his heart, baby. It don't matter.
It ain't the same.
We can go Oklahoma head to head. It
Well,
don't matter,
talk to
baby.
him.
We can lay on the back, get up, and
Man,
do
we
all
need this for
that.
Talk to
content.
him.
See what I'm saying?
Tomorrow, let's go buy helmets and shoulder pads.
Crazy. Bro, is anything open?
Kid, don't nobody got them home.
Which one you want? Hell yeah, and one. I was there.
Bro, Saturday.
Yeah. I've been to the last two places. All the belt fights I've been.
Yeah, all the belt fights. Yeah, he's a strong.
He just told me.
Yeah, Florida. How long you got here? Till tomorrow. Tomorrow you go back to Miami? I go back on Monday to Puerto Rico. Gotta get many
I'm back. I got a new round back, man. You know what I'm saying? But we're not using that today because they're like fullback. What's up? Oh, yeah, come on. Which way? Which way?
All right, let's go this way. You ready?
What you gonna do with this guy?
All right, hey, look, man, look. Gotta come jump on that screen with you, man.
Oh, let me go.
Yeah, I'm good.
Wait, you still paying us now?
Nah, I can talk shit and something I want now, so that's better, right?
Oh, that's better. You can do whatever the fuck you want.
Yeah, see what I'm saying?
I fuck with that. No, if I were you, I would say fuck.
So I catch it at the skate ball.
Yeah, you're not going to say it's fun. Stop, you ready? And 3, 2, 1, action. Hey, easy.
Simple and sweet.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. Your phone is in here. I got it.
Thank you.
No problem.
And once they sub you out, it's over with. That's all I know. Yeah, it's over with.
I see you get up like that. Agent. What the fuck, bro? You go by agent too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, see that too?
No, that is his name. Do you
God,
want
that's
to sit with him?
Nah, that's embarrassing. I feel fucked up. Oh my god, agent, bro.
Where's Sauce go?
Agent. Hey. Agent, I'm your fan. Oh.
I'm faster with these.
Yeah, I need you.
Hey, Juice.
You need to put this thing on offense.
Oh, yeah, no, hey, he auditioned as a player, man. Hey, don't interfere with what the coach doing, bro. Don't interfere with what, hey, parents stay on the sidelines. Parents stay on the sidelines.
That boy, that retarded, boy. Shit, man.